This is a new method that has now come about, which is transfer sheets onto sugar paste, and I'm going to show you now how to do that. This is a piece of sugar paste that I've just rolled out. I'm going to add a bit more icing sugar just underneath the sugar paste, because as we go through the process of transfer, it does make the sugar paste softer and therefore more likely to stick to the board. So I've got our piece of sugar paste here. If you wanted to do a drape, you could put in some gum trag or some CMC that it's easier to pick up and hang as a drape. Otherwise, it's just as fine to do it on sugar paste as it stands. So for this piece of transfer sheet, I have this here, this piece of leopard print, and I'm going to place the cocoa butter side face down onto the sugar paste, like that. Now, we're going to transfer the print using a hairdryer. Now, the thing is with this, the first time I switch it on, the transfer sheet's going to fly everywhere, so I do need a cake smoother in order to be able to hold the transfer sheet in place. The process takes around 2 to 3 minutes to transfer properly, and we're going to keep moving the hairdryer in circular motions as it goes over the top of the transfer sheet to make sure that we actually get all of the print off, not patches. If we were doing this, we could end up with patches where the print hasn't come off. Okay? Okay, at this stage you can stop and have a little look to see if it's transferring. You can see that it's just starting to come off here. You can put it back down again and just go over it again just to be sure. Because of the heat now, we're not using the smoother as much now because the heat is keeping the transfer sheet now attached to the sugar paste itself, but you still need it around just to keep pushing it down in places. Okay, put the hairdryer down to one side and have another look. There we go, and the print has come off. And then you have transferred your pattern onto some sugar paste. Now at this point here, you could pick this up and use it as a drape to go across the cake, or if you wanted to do some cupcake toppers, you could then cut out a circle and then place it on top of a cupcake like so.